Still going through. What's happening, my people? Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. What's happening, Marcin, Nuno? You guys good?
Yeah, my bro. And you?
Good, man. 5 shots today. I was just having a conversation with the cafeteria lady. Sorry, apologies, guys. A little bit late, but again, it's a Freaky Friday today, and it's a Freaky Friday. Don't want to rush into any sort of positions today. We should have a bunch of volatility. And one thing we understand with Freaky Friday is that it gives you that one-sided move, and to a certain extent, you need to sort of stay away from the markets. Let me just quickly also just like live now. Wait, hold on a second. Bro, how'd you go live on Insta? Hold on a second. Get started. What is it? Two. You can only schedule it. Let's make some money. Okay, and what we are going to do is going to put the phone here and analyze the markets like this. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. We're live on YouTube now. Let's do a little analysis session here on the Insta chat as well. Quickly go over gold, see what we are looking for. The first half an hour into NY Open. Happy trading, everyone. Great work you have here. Keep it up. Thank you, Drive. Appreciate you joining in. Thank you so much. But yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Just a quick analysis session for everyone on the Insta chat as well. You guys can obviously capitalize on this opportunity here with us, free live stream here. And so let's quickly go over the intraday range. What has the previous candle done? Again, it gave us the break scenario, right? Which we anticipated on gold yesterday. We anticipated gold to give us that break scenario yesterday on the intraday, and at this point it is done. So now the current candle has two things it can do. Either give you a low and then from there give you that clean Freaky Friday move all the way to the top side, or it can start selling off for the rest of the session, right? Since we only have one confirmation candle, which is essentially the candle that's gone past the resistance area, but we do not have that breakout candle just yet. So essentially this candle here could still start selling off for the rest of the day. So if we mark out our daily range, this is the only thing I want to sort of pay attention to, the daily range that we have, because it's very tiny at the moment, right? It's a very small daily range, about 63 pips, and we understand on our intraday gold can move about 200 pips every single day, right? So at this point, by the way, guys, everyone on the Insta live chat, come and join us on the YouTube stream. We're going over everything now. We got some people watching here on the Insta chat. join us on the YouTube stream. The link is in the Insta bio. But yeah, at this point on the intraday, right, again, the key area which we are looking out for is the mid-range, which being the 50% level on gold, right? So if we just look at the 50% level on gold at this point, we know that the mid-range here needs to be respected in order for gold to start pumping up and for us to see the wick fill and break scenario to the top side. So the main key area will be our 63.75. This is your intraday levels that I am talking about, right? So 63.75 is another major intraday level we need to look out for. So this is where now if we scale down to the 4H, we can see that this 4H is giving us a really massive rejection. But at the same time, if this here is the pullback level on the intraday being the 63 area, we can really see gold forming some sort of a support down here, and this can just be a retest rather than a sell-off candle. So that's why we like to stay out of the markets for the first half an hour during the NY Open, since there is a lot of volatility and then a lot of the orders are being executed, right? There's too much order flow going on. So this is why we like to stay out of the markets and see what the markets do in the second half of the NY Open, which is the 130 candle opening, right? So now if the next candle starts to open, we understand that it's starting to retest this pullback level, which is the intraday 50% level. If the next 30-minute candle opens now and it starts to give us some sort of a pump above this area, it's a very clean buy position. EKB, what's good, fam? What's happening, my brother? Hopefully you're good. Hopefully you're good. So this is exactly where we want to start anticipating some sort of position now. As soon as we see the half one opening in the next minute, if gold starts to give us some sort of a breakout above this area, I'm very much interested in a buy position. Again, look at the intraday. Very nice confirmation on the previous candle. You've got such a clean range to the top side as well, and the whole intraday has only moved about 63 pips, so it can be a very volatile open and pump. Oh, there it is, it's breaking above. Got the breather candle here as well, guys. So anything above this will be a very clean buy position in my opinion. Okay, it's starting to break out. Give it 5 pips. SLs will go below the lows over here. Let's see if we can start taking it back up. But this is the half one open momentum now kicking into the markets, right? Make sure you're prepared for this as well. Let's give it 5 pips above this, but anything that starts to clear the highs of the previous candle, you have such a nice range to the top side, right? You've got around 37 pips to the top side. You've got these rejection areas approaching to the left as well. So anything here could be considered a buy position now. To the top side, your SLs, as I said, will have to go all the way down there. Okay. Let's say, let's go. Let's go. Oh man, this is your half one open, straight pump. Are you guys seeing this? Oh boy, that's 37 pips. Holy, let's go. Are you guys seeing this Freaky Friday move? What did I tell you guys? Are you guys seeing this? Holy, that's 59 pips, 60 pips at this point. Oh wow. Drop some W's in the chat, guys. Drop some W's in the chat. Holy, Nuno, did you trail it? I can't hear you, bro.
Yeah. Still alive.
Nice. Let's
see.
Let's go.
Oh
man, done in front of everyone on Insta live chat as well as YouTube live chat. It took us 1 minute, guys. Let's go. This is what you call Freaky Fridays, man. We love Freaky Fridays. Wow, wow. 2 minutes on the stream, 1.5% gain. Yes, sir. That's what we like to hear. Financial freedom, that's what trading is about. Wow. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff, man. Straight to the TP. I told you guys the intraday range is not even 200 pips. This was bound to happen, honestly. Wow. Amazing. How many pips did we just catch in this position now? So guys, you can start trading your SLs at this point, but yeah.
61, 51.
1-to-1 on this, okay? Was waiting for this buy, came here, see you looking at the same thing. Yes, sir.
Bro, I just trailed my stop to the half,
Yeah, very nice. Bro, but make sure 80%, when it starts to retest the 80% profit target, you do start to, obviously, since it's gone way past the, the half mark, right?
Yeah,
so make sure it's tracked appropriately. But what a nice position taken here on the live stream, guys. It took us 2 minutes, literally not even 2 minutes. As soon as I told you guys, the half one open will give you a nasty pump, and there we go. There we go. That's the half one open. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. So there you go, guys. Everyone on the Insta live chat as well. You guys have made a bunch of money here in 2 minutes. I will be ending this stream now. Come and join us on the YouTube channel, DA Forex. Look at that. A lot of W's in the chat once again. A lot of W's in the chat. Amazing session. Wow. Crazy, man. Crazy. Crazy. Wow. That was, how many pips did we just catch on this in like 2 minutes? Breakout taken here. 50, almost 60 pips, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Plus 60 pips. Amazing. Amazing. Freaky Friday. Freaky Friday. Guys, drop a like on the stream. Look at this. It was CAD News that pushed it. Yes, sir. Very nice play. Very nice play. Very, very nice play. Wow. The volatility factor was amazing. So nice, honestly. We literally caught like 60 pips in 2 minutes, honestly. That was amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Wow. Oof. See that half one open candle? All you have to do is just wait for the half one open. It always will do something else compared to the NY open candle. Imagine now all the sell orders were here, right? Everyone's selling, boom, open, opposite direction move. Amazing stuff. You guys see this, right? We have not taken any losses. It's just been straight up. Even yesterday, guys, the trade took so long to play out, but it played out. After the session ended, it played out so nicely once again. Just crazy, man. Just crazy. Wow. It's been so amazing so far. But yeah, that's one trade done. Let's see if we can do some more stuff. Nuno, what's happening with the positions, bro?
Bro, closed half.
Nice.
Because
nice.
I trailed the stop, almost 1-1, bro. Like, because I kind of open it a little bit.
Okay, so we close 50%?
50%.
Nice, bro. Nice.
Ah, bro.
Killing it.
If the trade, like, because I open it a little bit higher, because the spike.
Yeah, that's fine. No worries.
If I took it really on the 5 pip, then bro,
that's fine.
1-1 will be hit.
No worries, bro. No worries. That's fine. A win is a win. No worries. That's fine. A win is a win, and we'll look for another position anyway. We'll look for another position soon.
Yes, sir. Freaky Friday.
But yeah, anyway, guys, good afternoon. Didn't even get a chance to say good afternoon. But yeah, holy, what a nice session that was again.
Yeah.
Very nice. Bro, can we like appreciate our win rate this week? Or what's our win rate this week, bro? Like
Can go to the
5 trades. Monday was a loss, I remember. Monday was a loss.
yeah.
Was it not? So we had 1 loss, 4 wins, 80% win rate this week. Yeah, so same thing, fluctuating at 80-85% win rate. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Yeah, but when you think about it, right? Even though Monday was a loss, how many trades have we actually taken on the stream? When you think about it in that sense, I remember on Tuesday we took 2 trades. On Wednesday we took 2 trades. Yesterday we took a trade. Today we've taken 4, 5, 6 trades, 7 trades altogether, not 5 trades. Do you remember, right?
Yeah.
So 7 trades, 1 was a loss. So it's basically a 87-88% win rate this week, man. Because we didn't take 5 trades, we actually took roughly around 7 trades this week. Had a big trading week. Oh man, the whole daily range is still, bro. That pump, it just was so nice. Literally done it on the Insta chat as well. You can hear me drinking my coffee. Plus 60 pips for the win. Let's go. Plus 60 pips. Guys, drop a like on the stream. We will be looking for more opportunities. It's a Freaky Friday. Price will be fun to trade today, honestly. 1 more trade, hopefully we can get it. Again, let's remeasure the range. How much have we moved altogether now? About 120 pips altogether now on the intraday. About 120 pips. There we go. Let's remeasure the mid-range on the intraday at this point. It's bullish now. It's given us that breakout, the first initial spike up. 66.75 being the mid-range. Okay, the lows being here. There we go. So yeah, basically 66.74 being the mid-range at this point now. 74. Let's quickly check out the 4H once again. Seems like the 4H has given us a very nice spike up now. And so at this point, again, the next bit of opportunity in my opinion shows up as soon as we can start to see some sort of sustainable clean price action in the markets, right? Look at the spike up, very volatile spike up. We're just playing within the intraday range, right, at the moment. So once we do start to break out of the daily lows at this point, it was such a nice correction level. And with Friday, usually we get those freaky moves and it just kind of goes one way. So let's say if they do want to start breaking out of the daily lows at this point now, you've got 55.08 area. Let's mark this out. And so above now, you obviously got the resistance level, which is just up there. And at this point again, guys, the weekly's either starting to now look like a wick fill break scenario to the top side, or it's about to really give you a nasty rejection and end up closing as like a breather candle, right? And then the next one breaks the lows, and then we see that clean sell off on the next weekly candle, and major imbalances down there as well, which we can see, right? So at this point, once again now, if we even look at the 1H, look what the 1H candle is doing. Is giving you the nastiest rejection at this point. Again, closing below the daily 50% level, starting to respect the daily 50% level. And the minute we start to technically, you know, we start to technically close below this area here and start seeing a violation of the lows over here, gold will start sinking again. So you got to think about it. What scenarios are setting up with the new 4H? We've just caught the nicest buy position on gold, literally 60 pips spike up, very nice play. And at this point, right, when you think about it, intraday is still quite small. When you look at the whole intraday range, it's only moved about 126 pips, right? So we know that usually you get a 200 pip range on the daily. So, you know, there is that scenario where they can give you a breakout below this. And if they do start to break below this, then you've got such a nice range to the downside. You've got another 50 pips to the downside. It's such a nice clean range, right? Look to the left, you've got clean traffic here, you've got clean traffic even here. And you know, this is where I'm very interested in a sell position now. But again, in a way, we kind of do need it to set up. So when you think about it, what's coming up next now? You've got the new 1H coming up in the next 18 minutes or so. 17 minutes now, not 18. So in the next 17 minutes, you got the new 4H coming up, the new 1H coming up. What comes up with these new candles? Well, upper wicks, pullbacks. So if we can get pullback and we can get upper wick, this is the kind of scenario I would be interested in trading now. Bro, we kind of need the thingy. Do I just drag it down? You're muted, by the way, can't hear you. Man, what nice position that was. That was crazy. That was crazy position, man. Straight to the money. Damn. We really caught that.
It's done. It's done.
Yeah. All right. So, okay. So, what we are looking for now is with the new 4H is a 4H 50% breakout, or we can just mark our daily 50% breakout. Daily 50%. Bro, where's the daily 50% breakout? Is it D50%? We said D50% breakout. There you go. So D50% breakout becomes a valid scenario in my opinion now. So this is your daily 50% area here, as I mentioned earlier, right? As long as we're trading below this, our intraday range is actually quite bearish and it's super inflated once again. Look, a lot of liquidity got taken out above these structure highs. But once they have taken the liquidity out, they're technically giving you, again, a rejection from the previous daily highs, right? So this is where your PD highs technically are causing your fake out. If you probably look at this on the low time frames, they're probably giving you that closure above. And so now they're starting to reject the price. Previous daily highs, PDH fake out is another scenario which we have setting up. So, you know, there's again the intraday range is actually quite inflated, and you know you need that correction to the downside. We've had the first leg up now, again causing a very nice rejection from up here. So technically anything below this now gives you that sort of valid sell-off, right, for the rest of the session. But it's all about timing. So we know the new 4H is coming up. Would you like to really take something before the new 4H? No. So as soon as the new 4H comes up, wait for the upper wick, break. We've got such a nice clean range to the downside. Honestly, I'm a big fan of this position, very big fan. You know, it's the perfect position. Look at the rejection on this candle. Even on this candle here, I'm very tempted, but I think it'll be best to just stay out of the markets, kind of just wait for a closure below this on this 15-minute candle, and then the next one can technically just give us that next leg down. And again, it's a freaky Friday move, or gold moves a lot on Fridays, and it's usually a one-sided play. So if the freaky Friday move is to the downside, then let's have some fun. We've secured 60 pips in the first position. Again, you know, use some of the profits again to take another position. Why not? You have a buffer. We've had an 87% win rate this whole week. We've taken 7 trades out of 7 trades, including today. We've taken 8 trades now, right? Or including today, we've taken 7 trades. Anyway, we've only taken 1 loss, which was on Monday, and rest has just been nothing but winners, right? So if you have built that buffer with us, let's risk it for the biscuit. Why not? Again, calculated risk, right? Man, if it starts to go past this area here now, I'm actually very interested in this position, because now the daily lows are, you know, they're going to start going down for the daily lows. And if they actually give us that daily low breakout, the lows retest, this is the first scenario which I can see setting up. And then if they give you that daily lows breakout at this point, gold will start to turn into a Titanic, honestly. Yeah, look at that daily lows breakout. From here, it will honestly, oh. Yeah, but the SL is a bit tricky at the moment. And if we can wait for a closure on this, the 4H will give us the SL. Yeah, the SL will be a little bit tricky at the moment, because something like this I would be so interested in. SL's up here, and then you kind of just let it run. Look at this. But yeah, let's kind of wait for the new 4H to open first. See how this kind of closes, but you know, just leave a paper trade here running. But I'm going to personally wait for the new 4H to open and just not rush into any positions just yet. Have secured some money on the first position, but something like this I'm very interested in, because not only that you're getting the 30-minute violation after that rejection, so like let's say 5 pip below this you have the 30-minute rejection and a sell-off. Not only that you're getting that 30-minute rejection out, you're seeing the nastiest rejection from the daily highs, seeing a clean violation of the 30-minute lows below the daily 50%. So the chances of us coming down now to basically retest the intraday lows is very high, right? So I am interested in a position like this, but the only issue is I do not have a valid stop loss just yet. So that's why I will stay out of this this position here just yet. I will wait for a closure on this candle here. Once I have a closure on this candle here, on the next candle, I'll start looking for those sell positions, something along the lines of this. Because what this candle here will do is, this candle here will give us a decent stop loss, because look at this structure here. We can see that this structure here holds a lot of orders, right? A lot of orders are up here. So this is an area of rejection, area of reversal, right? So technically, we are expecting gold to respect that daily 50% area and start spiking down till the daily lows, break the daily lows, and give us 1955, that $5 key level, which is the main target for us now on the intraday, right? That's sort of what I'm anticipating gold to give us. So let's wait for this candle here to close. We've got another sort of like 11 minutes left or so. You know, again, taking a position on this candle here, you know, do whatever you like. But for me personally, because this candle here has given you this range, so it's an open candle, right? So this is your open range at the moment. We need a closure. If this is your open range, it means your stop loss has to be above the range. So if we can wait for a closure, let's say it closes below here, you've got the 15-minute range essentially looking like this. That's where you can place the stop losses up here, right? So that's why it's very, very essential for us to technically wait for this to close. We've got this support area here as well. The minute it starts to close below this, next one needs to give us some minimum pullback, because we know the behavior of the markets with the new 4H open. Wait, what? Where's that? Hold on a second. But yeah, we know the behavior of the markets with the new 4H open. We're anticipating something like this, and you know, technically you're securing profits along the way, obviously. TPs along the way, you know, near these areas. Every time there's a rejection, you're taking some profits off. You know, you're chopping your risk down and you're letting the rest just run. So this is what we are anticipating, a Freaky Friday move. But at the same time, because this candle here, this is the range at the moment, so it will be silly to take a position on this, because this stop loss will not be valid just yet. So that's why I would rather just stay out of this than take this, because the only valid stop loss you will have is up here, and that's just silly. That's such a big stop loss, doesn't make sense. If anyone passes phase 1 and fails phase 2, does he need to start again from phase 1? Yes sir, you do. That's the thing, that's the business model. It's very profitable for them, isn't it? They want you to restart. Yes, they do want you to restart. But yeah, I mean, it's very hard for you to pass the phase 2 unless you're emotionally trading. So, you know, we have trading plans for these challenges as well, and if you stick to the plan and you trade alongside us, it's nearly impossible for you to pass pass these challenges and fail these challenges, because it's all very calculated, right? So yeah, the only why not the stop loss on the 15-minute? It's an open candle, my friend. It is an open candle. 15-minute is an open candle. What if it ends up closing bullish, the next one pumps up? It's not a valid stop loss. Price needs to close below for me to consider this a valid stop loss. At the moment is an open candle, so the previous candle which gave you a closure, your SLs will go up here. So that's why I'm staying out of the positions at the moment, because it's an open candle. As I mentioned earlier, this is your open range at the moment. This is the lows of the range just down here, and this is the highs of the range. Any safe SLs will go above this. I want to keep my positions protected. This is where I want a confirmation. I want gold to show me that this area here is being respected as a resistance. 5 pips above will be the SL, TP range 1, TP range 2. And yeah, Freaky Friday usually gives you those massive moves anyway. So I'm anticipating a very nice clean drop, pullback, drop, pullback, drop for the rest of the session. So yeah, just kind of gotta wait for this, and whenever it sets up, let's take it. But as I mentioned earlier, if you have built a buffer with us this whole week, we've had nothing but crazy wins. Man, let's risk some of the profits to make more profits. That's the sensible thing to do as a trader. Bro, I think I need the wings now. I'm craving my wings, you know. But yeah, gold should be giving us a very nice drop so far. You know, you have a very nice confirmation candle here. Even on the 4H, you can see it. Very nice rejection. And yeah, the next 4H just needs to open, break the lows, and from there you have such a clean traffic to the downside. So very nice sell position. Honestly, very nice sell position. The only issue I have with this is, as I mentioned earlier, you know, you can always get that sort of correction to the top side with the new 4H. And if you do get the correction to the top side, they could give you the 50% retest. Again, everything is a possibility in the markets, right? Everything is a possibility. We are anticipating a very aggressive drop for sure, but everything is a possibility. It could be that today's one of those days where they want to actually give you a sustainable high, and then this is where you're anticipating gold to just open and dump, and then it gives you a pullback, takes you, and then it starts dumping, and this is where you've just missed out on the best opportunity ever, because you could have taken a sell position there, but you can't stay out of the market. You know, you're an emotional mess and you want to form into everything. They've taken you out and then they give you the drop from up there. So it's best to just stay out, man. Control your emotions. It's a psychological game. Understand it. It's a psychological game. We don't hesitate. You know, when the position's there, you guys saw it earlier. We don't hesitate. We take it. You know, if it's past 130, I'm taking my positions as soon as it shows up. We don't hesitate. But again, you know, you need to have patience. But it's a very nice position setting up from here. Gold's about to drop. As I mentioned earlier, this is going to most likely start playing out, but the only reason I'm staying out is because it's an open candle, and I understand how gold kind of like reacts with these key levels, especially in a HTF consolidation. Next candle can open and start pumping all the way back up, make this candle here invalid. So I sort of just want to see that confirmation that this candle here is being respected, right? So yeah, 5 more minutes. The new 4H is your best friend. We just need the new 4H to open and work in our favor. That's all I'm waiting for. And it's a very clean drop waiting to happen. Honestly, I don't see anything that's suggesting like this is gonna pump up. Honestly, I don't see anything. Just a very nice drop setting up. But again, you know, the keyword emphasis on setting up, hasn't set up just yet. Well, it has if you want to place a massive stop loss. But for me personally, I need some more confirmations, just a little bit more, tiny bit more. But I have a feeling gold's about to give us a very nice drop, honestly, with the new 4H open, because it hasn't even got a 150 pip range as of yet. So think about it, not even a 150 pip range, guys. Not even a 150 pip range. And it doesn't have to be a one-sided drop. So this is where, you know, you are being safe and you are securing profits along the way, because they still could give you that top side play as well. You know, they might just want to take out this liquidity below the structure lows, and then from here start rejecting the price again. So it could also be a top side play for sure. But honestly, usually with Fridays is a one-sided play. You know, either markets will start sinking or start pumping. So let's see. When you know there is going to be something big, then you just need to wait for it to set up and just not fall more into anything. And that's the name of the game, guys. That's the name of the game. But yeah, you know, how beautiful was that pump earlier, bro? That was the highlight of the week, wasn't it? We caught the same thing on not yesterday, on Wednesday, right? Yesterday was kind of like a BE day on the stream. Well, it was a winning day if you did hold the trade, but yeah, on the stream technically it was a BE day because the trade played out after the stream. But when it comes to the analysis, it was and the trade that we gave out, it was a profitable trade. So in that sense, technically it was a profitable day. But Wednesday, that's when we had that massive pump on gold. We caught that, and then we had this massive pump again, which we just caught now. And let's see if we can call like a Titanic ship 3 TP smashed. Yes sir, yes sir. Guys, drop a like on the stream. Come on, let's run up those likes as well. We've been getting very low likes recently. Let's get at least 20-30 likes today. That would be amazing way to end the week. You know, we're staying consistent here for you guys, so come on, let's do your parts as well and show us some love. Let's drop a like on the stream. Thank you. Okay, we've got 2 more minutes left at this point. Now, in the next 2 minutes, again, we are anticipating a nice drop on gold. We can see gold dropping so much today. We can see something very nice, but again, you know, we're anticipating stuff. You know, we need to wait for confirmations before we start taking stuff. You know, this is what trading is about. You anticipate certain scenarios, but you still need to wait for those confirmations. You can't just take something based on your anticipation, right? That's then, you know, you're predicting rather than anticipating. We don't predict anything in the markets, you know. That's what gets you in trouble. Predictions will get you in trouble. So what you know, how traders make money is that we, you know, have systematic approaches to the markets, right? We have certain scenarios which we have kind of like seen playing. Gold does certain things every single day, you know, certain behaviors in the markets. You know, we've noticed those patterns in the markets, and you know, because we've tracked sufficient amount of data, we just kind of like let it play out every single day, and we understand it's a game of probabilities. There are no certainties, and that's what trading is about, guys. So again, in the next minute or so, we can see a very nice drop on gold. Gold can give you a very nice drop, honestly, very nice drop. We just technically need the upper wick, and we can see a very nice drop. Yesterday I took late trade about 40 pips, but today no trade for me. Nice, bro. Nice. Yes, it was a very profitable trade which we gave out yesterday. Again, if you did take this trade with us earlier and over 60 pips caught today, we're looking for one more trade just to end the week. But now this will be essentially you risking some of the profits to make more profits. So patience are required here, guys. Patience are required. So there we go. This is your 4H open now. Let's see what kind of upper wick we get, and then from there we can start looking for a position. But we do need some sort of an upper wick, right? Let's also look at the previous 4H. Yeah, that breather candle is beautiful, man. That breather candle is so beautiful, honestly. Okay, let's see how it kind of like reacts, because we know it technically likes to go one way. It gives you that one-sided move. So let's see. It always does, pretty much always gives you a one-sided move, and today I'm expecting a really massive drop on gold. So yeah, but we technically do need to let it sit up though, unless it was with your NYSE momentum. Then you could say, okay, cool, NYSE momentum is there in the markets, you know, give it a go. Before NYSE, it becomes a bit sticky, right, for you to technically just take a very impulsive leg down without a sustainable high. So even staying out for the first 15 minutes will be very nice. Just kind of let it show you its move, maybe give you a breather candle. Next one breaks the lows, gives you the nicest sell-off. We do need a break below the lows over here, so let's kind of put alert on here. We need a violation. This is the violation we need, the 4H violation. After that, we're coming downtown, guys. That's what we need. We need a break below this. We still haven't taken the second position. We're waiting for it to set up. Keep that in your mind. But guys, who took the first position with us? Let us know. Who took it with us? Also, you got to understand, when there is a lot of volatility in the markets, right? It does like to, you know, it does like to give you a little bit of a consolidation as well. Every time there's something aggressive. Just missed it by 10 minutes. Man, missed it by 10 minutes. That's why you guys need to join the session. We will be starting the streams around 1 o'clock, because I don't believe in starting the session an hour earlier and just sit there and waste time, because we don't need to sit there for an hour. You know, I'm not here to entertain you guys. I'm here to just take trades. So for me, I don't like to stay here and just kind of look at the charts an hour before the markets open, because then I'm going to start building bias in my head. It was too quick for me. I'm at work with an earphone in. That's fine, bro. That's fine. So this is exactly why I start the markets you know, as soon as I start the stream, as soon as the market's open. This then allows me to build a bias within that first half an hour rather than an hour or two before, because what's the point of me building a bias before pre-NY session has different behavior, NY session has a different behavior, post NY session has different behavior, right? We're trading the NY session, so why would I start the stream before NY session? Do you see, a lot of the streamers, they kind of like doing their thing, right? Because they've got the entertainment side sorted. But for us, we're here just for the trading purposes, guys. And this is what real trading is about. Honestly, in and out, in and out. You make your money, you're done for the day. Financial freedom, right? DA, how is look like your daily routine? How is it? Man, my daily routine is I wake up at like 10, 11 in the afternoon, take a shower, have my coffee, come to the office and trade. There's nothing else I do, bro. I don't do some yoga, I don't do some crazy stuff. I just wake up late, relatively late, but I like to get my sleep in. So for me, I do put I can't stress this enough, guys. You know, you need to get 8 to 9 hours of sleep every night as a trader, because it's a very mental game, right? So sleeping is where you're kind of like repairing everything, right? Is maybe be good in future to start 10-15 minutes earlier to maybe answer some Q&A. Yes sir, we will start doing that. But again, guys, join our Discord. Make sure you have the notifications turned on as well, so as soon as we do go live, because I don't want this to be kind of like a 9 to 5 sort of thing. Join gym. Bro, I'm a gym guy. I'm on a break because I've messed up my rotator cuff. So I've just been taking the past 2-3 weeks off because I'm injured. I'm a gym guy, man. Have you not seen these triceps, bro? I'm a big guy, you know. I'm like 6'1". I'm like 90 kg. I'm a big guy, bro. Trust me. Very muscular as well. Yeah, a little bit fat now. But yeah, basically the thing that I was trying to say was make sure you guys have the notifications turned on, because I don't want this to be like a 9 to 5 sort of thing for me, because I know the reason why I trade is because I like my freedom, you know. I like my freedom. So if I start doing this and it turns into like a 9 to 5 sort of thing, then I know it will kind of put me off this live stream business. So that's why I don't want to have like set timings. I just want to be able to let it flow naturally. If I feel like going early, I'll go early. This is where you guys got to do your part. Have the notifications turned on. As soon as I do go live, you will get the notifications. Everyone knows what time is our session. You know, NY session starts at 1 o'clock. We start looking for trades after 1:30. So, you know, in that sense, everyone knows, you know, it's guaranteed that we will be, you know, live around 1 o'clock to, you know. But again, have your notifications turned on. Maybe if it's one of those days I see, you know, I feel like I want to go early, I will go early, but I don't want to have any sort of set timings at the moment, guys, because then is going to start putting a lot of pressure on me, and that's the thing. That's why I trade. I don't want any pressure on me in that sense. I don't want to work a 9 to 5, and it defeats the purpose of me trading if I again turn this into something that's like a 9 to 5, right? But yeah, I will try my best to always go live 20 to 30 minutes earlier, just for, you know, the analysis purposes. So yeah, I have notifications on, but most time I don't receive them. I just go off your schedule. Oh yeah, man, because you know YouTube is buggy sometimes. Why don't you guys join our Discord, guys? On Discord we actually post the link every single day. So, you know, join our Discord. Discord is good. And maybe message me on Insta as well, guys. Everyone that's watching me, DM me on Insta. I'll make like a group chat on Insta, and I'll add everyone into the group chat. And then in the group chat, I'll start posting the links every time I go live. And what I'll do is I'll message everyone 10-15 minutes earlier saying, hey, look, I'm going live on YouTube. So, you know, be prepared. And then as soon as I go live on YouTube, I'll just post the link in the Insta group chat, because I think I can add about 30 to 40 people in the Insta group chat. So maybe message me on Insta, and yeah, I'll make an Insta group chat as well. Just DM me saying, hey bro, add me to the free group chat, thank you. That's all you need to say, and I'll add you guys. Bro, I come on YouTube live when Nuno sends the message in Discord, lol. yeah. Nuno, man, everyone's dependent on you.
Yeah, man. Even you think that was a robot that's doing that.
Yes, sir. Even I thought it was a robot. I thought it's a bot that sends the message on Discord. Then Nuno goes to me, no man, I'm the Nuno the robot. I do everything. Wait, Nuno the goat. Someone said Nuno the goat. Yes, sir. Bro, I think you can make broadcast channels in IG. Yeah. I need to look into that. I'll try and make as many channels as I can, because I think one thing I've noticed with Discord is that not everyone's active on Discord. So I want to also make something which is I'm very like reachable to people on daily basis. I think Insta is that sweet platform where everyone's on it every single day, right? So guys, message me on Insta saying add me to the free group chat, and I will add you to the free group chat. And then on the free group chat, I can also start posting some analysis maybe before the live stream, some post market analysis that we do, tracking and everything like that. So just message me on my Insta and I'll add you guys to the free group chat. And everyone is more than welcome to join. It's a free group chat, so no matter who you are, where you're from, it doesn't matter. Just message me. Yeah, Insta and Telegram is good. Yeah, bro, for me, Instagram will be easier. Telegram, Insta, Discord, it's just juggling into too many platforms. I'd rather just stick to one, two platforms and just not juggle too much. Okay, the 4H is about to become quite bearish at this point. Look at that. The upper wick is done. So if the upper wick is done and we can get a nice clean break below this, this is where you can really see that sell-off setting up. Nice SL on this up here as well. Your 1-to-1 area down here. Let's wait for it. You got the first 15 minutes coming to a closure in the next 6 minutes, and then the last 15 minutes can be the one that gives you a drop. Look at that very nice clean breather candle. But as I said, I am waiting for a closure on this. And then the next 15 minutes technically either becomes a wick fill break scenario to the top side or a very nice clean sell-off to the downside, honestly. But yes, Smita, very nice. Bro, Smita made us a reel, very nice reel, man. I'll show you. Very nice. Thank you so much for that, bro. Very nice reel, bro. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. I could show that to everyone, but it's on Telegram. I don't have Telegram on this computer here, unfortunately. Unless I do. Let me see. No, bro, I don't have Telegram here. Do I? Let me see. I could show that to everyone. No, bro, I don't have it. I need to.
If you want, send me on Telegram and send you on Insta if you want.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, let's show everyone what Samita made. Thank you so much, bro. Really appreciate it. But yeah, let's just give it a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna forward everything to you, Nuno. There you go. See, you got it?
Yeah.
And then he also made us a very nice thumbnail, man. Really nice thumbnail. It's so nice. Look at the thumbnail he made for us as well. So nice, man. Wow. For the Insta reel, he also made a thumbnail. NY session plus 30 pips gold buy. Very nice, very nice. We need to. It's so nice, man. We need to post that in our YouTube channel and Discord channel.
Do you want it by email? Can be.
Yeah, right? Yeah. Sure. You can send
Probably,
it by email.
Yeah, email is better.
Sure. Okay. Let's see. 9 more minutes left at this point. 9 more minutes left.
Yeah, bro, the thumbnail was very nice.
Very nice, right? Very nice thumbnail, honestly. Very nice.
Let's see. Bro, it's the... What's the email? Bro, it is... Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Hello, bro.
I just sent you.
Okay,
email.
thank you.
I sent you for your 2 emails.
Which one did you send to? The Danial one?
For 2.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
For
thank
the.
you. Let me check, bro. Yeah, I got it. I just received it now. Let me just put it up. Thank you so much. Inbox. Okay, there you go. So there you go, guys. Wait, let me download this. Thank you, Samita, for this. Such a nice reel he's made for us. It's very kind of you, bro. Let's show this to everyone. Oh, TB1's up there. But if it does break below this, bro, then the trade becomes invalid. Then don't look for the same thing. But until then, it's the same concept. There it is. This is your NYSE volatility. As soon as it breaks past, it should fly to your TP1. This is exactly what we were lacking. So now with the volatility, there it is. Let's go. Start making it risk free. There it is. TP1 hit. How much have we made so far? 22 pips for the first trade. There you go. It's about to go past TP2 and there it is. Let's go. You have capitalized on 26 pips almost, and TP3 is up there now. Next rejection area. Look at gold pumping. Let's go. There it is. TP3 hits as well. Drop some W's in the chat, team. Yeah, such a nice reel, bro. Such a nice reel. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Yeah. Drop some W's for Samita in the chat. Appreciate that reel, bro. That's a W reel. But yeah, guys, you know, you need to show us some love and you need to share our stream with other people. Because one thing that we need now is exposure. Because, yeah. Let's have a chat after the stream. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just hit me up. Hit me up. There we go. The 4H has given you the upper wick. We just need a break below now. At the minute we see a break below, it should be a clean drop. Then at that point, it has no business technically also breaking the highs of the previous breather candle. Let's wait for it. Because literally, if we can get a clean break on the 4H now, because the only issue at the moment is taking a position on this becomes a bit tricky because of the range. It can retest, double bottom, pump back up. So I would like to see a break below. And with the New York Stock Exchange open, there will be a lot of volatility and they can give you the cleanest drop. Bro, I need to go get me an energy drink. Take over for like 2 minutes. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Damn, Samita was very nice, bro. very nice reel, bro. Did you make the reel? What's the platform that you made the reel? The program? Like CapCut or other platform? Other platform. Very nice, man. Or did you use like kind of a like pro platform like Vegas, Premiere? Oh, okay. Yeah, man. Yeah. So like, Jesus. Yeah, bro. OBS. It's always necessary to record the screen. Yeah. Premiere Pro, bro. I don't know, bro. I never used it. But CapCut, I use CapCut a lot. I just use CapCut. Let's see how NYSC opens. Let's see. Yeah. I just don't use Premiere because yeah, I don't know, bro. Some people say it's too complicated. And bro, CapCut, it's kind of fast, you know. Yeah, but Premiere is like the best platform to edit videos. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. So Premiere Pro is another thing. Oh, Premiere Pro is okay. Yeah. That's the same thing. It's all about the training. Yeah, bro, but it was very professional, bro. The real, very professional. Like the emojis and it was really nice, bro. Let's wait for the NYSC. Should be a clean day. No news. No nothing. Yeah. Sumita, you've been missing. What's happening? I remember last time I see you was like probably 2 weeks ago. Everything nice? Okay, bro. Okay. Yeah, I understand. That's the right thing, bro. New mindset now. New mindset, bro. Fresh mindset. Sometimes it's the best thing, you know. From the start, I took some breaks too. Yeah. But there's one day that you decide, like, okay, now forward, I will not take breaks. And yeah. Yeah, bro. On the start is always hard.
What's happening, guys?
There it is.
Of course.
Coffee boy.
Of course, it's back, it's back, it's back. Yeah, CapCut is user friendly. Yeah, man, CapCut is a really, really nice software, honestly, for video editing and everything. What's happening with Moss, man? I haven't heard from him for so long. Busy? Moss, you didn't tell us how's your performance been ever since you've joined us on the private team. I think he's probably busy.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. But this is exactly why I wanted to technically stay out of the markets, because at the moment you need to understand, right? They can give you an upper wick, and once the upper wick is done, then with the New York Stock Exchange open, you can just start selling the markets, right? Since the volatility factor will also be there in the markets. Yeah. I'm addicted to the Red Bull, man. I need to stop this. You see, everyone has that addiction problem. For some people, it's nicotine. For some people, it's alcohol. For me, it's caffeine. I'm honestly addicted to caffeine. Because the kind of like workforce I'm always in is like very much like I need to get stuff done every single day. So much stuff. Caffeine kind of just makes everything so easy for me. And then when I don't drink caffeine, I just feel like a lazy, sluggish person. And then, honestly, for me, it's women.
I was thinking about it.
Oh man, no, for me, like, detached myself from women, bro. That comes with too much problems, man. There's too many problems that come with women. Get sponsorship from them. Love this honesty, Ben. Yes. Ben, we need to bring you onto the stream, man. Hit me up, my bro. Hit me up on Insta. Or bring you onto the stream. You need to tell them some of the stories that you have. I know you've got a bunch of stories, man. I've been checking out your TikTok recently, bro. I know you got a bunch of stories there for us. Bro, he would tell you all the stories. I'll be rich if women didn't exist, lol. And yeah, I'm done. I'll message you after. Yeah. That's the thing, man. As a man, like, you know, you need to understand, like, naturally women are like, you know, something that you're very attracted to, because that's kind of like, when you think about it, this is what you're made for. You're technically, this is why you exist, to breed, right? So this is where now we kind of need to obviously control that human lust which we have, and that's why trading sort of like turns you into that person who can control his emotions and his lust. But yeah, man, there's no harm, bro. There's no harm. Whatever kind of like makes you happy. There we
I
go.
was really
up,
thinking
man.
about it, man.
Well, you know, women are your weakness as well.
No. That's not my weakness, bro.
But what's your weakness, bro? What's everyone's weakness? Let us know in the chat. For someone is women, for someone is caffeine. What's your weakness, guys? We always talk about our strengths. What's your weaknesses? Let us know in the chat. You know, I feel like everyone goes through like a phase in their life where, rather than like them being in control, the lust controls them. And to a certain extent, everyone needs to go through that phase as a human. And this is where you get to a point in your life where you're like, cool, I've been controlled by my lust, and you know, I was never in control, and now I'm in control. Probably nicotine for me. I'm a smoker, bro. I was actually addicted to nicotine, but not because of like smoking normal cigarettes. It was because of shisha. I was smoking shisha every single day. So, bro, one to 2 hours of shisha is, I think, equivalent to smoking a whole pack of, I think, cigarettes, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, but during Ramadan, because obviously during Ramadan you're not supposed to do anything. It's a very holy month, bro. I got rid of the shisha addiction. I'll be honest with you.
Damn, bro, I don't know if the shisha has nicotine.
Shisha is so dangerous, bro. Same as them vapes. Man, I was smoking shisha every day. We would have shisha in our office, and then after, you know, we went to gym and had our whatever we had to do, we'll again meet up again in the evening and smoke shisha. We had these like imported flavors from like different countries, you know, these flavors you could not get in the UK. These were imported flavors from like, you know, different countries. So man, we were into shisha too much, so I kind of had to stop smoking shisha as well, because I was too into it, man, too into it. Oh yeah, Jay, you gotta be careful with those disposable vapes, because I was honestly, that's like more dangerous than shisha, to be honest with you. Shisha is so bad. Yeah, I know, man. Shisha is bad. Shisha is bad. But for me, like, you know, smoking was never for the rush. Like because I started smoking shisha when I was like 16, 17, 15 years of age. I started smoking shisha. I was a younger man. I'm like 24 now. So it's kind of like, because it's part of my culture, like everyone that I was around was also smoking shisha, my boys, my friends. It was just like a normal thing, probably a social thing for you, innit? Yeah, that's the thing. So because it was a social thing from like day one, I never sort of thought about it like as in like I'm a smoker, but I was a smoker. I was not smoking cigarettes or vapes, but I was doing shisha pretty much every single day. And you know, you get that sort of like feeling in your heart, like, oh, imagine if I have shisha now, how good I would feel. So I was getting to a point where I literally was starting to get that feeling every day if I would not smoke shisha. So then that's where I realized during Ramadan how addicted I was. That's why the month of Ramadan, like, you know, is so good, because you kind of like get rid of all of your addictions. But the worst thing I experienced was the caffeine addiction. You guys can ask Nuno. He was there with me during Ramadan. Bro, tell them what happened to me during Ramadan, because I could not drink caffeine.
Yeah, the headaches.
Oh man, I almost had to go to a hospital. That's how bad the headaches were. So I made a promise to myself, I'm not touching caffeine as soon as Ramadan's over. And look at this now. Back on it again. But yeah, I feel like, you know, with caffeine, because it's the positives are there, and I need to be on point when it comes to trading, and this is all I do. This is like the way I kind of like earn my living. So I think as long as I don't abuse it too much, in a way, it's good.
5 shots and 1 Red Bull.
Bro, 5 shots of espresso and 1 Red Bull. Yeah, that's not too bad.
Oh man. Jeez.
Is that bad? 5 shots of espresso. I get headache without caffeine as well, bro. Yeah. But with nicotine now, that's one thing I have kind of controlled again. But I'm not as bad as you, lol. Yeah, no, man. It's because, you know, I've kind of like, for the past 5 years, the issue is, right, you know how as a human being, you've got like a routine that you follow. Like, we're creatures of like our habits. So my routine has always been drink a cup of coffee, get some caffeine in, and then start trading the market. So you can ask Nuno, if I don't drink caffeine, I can't trade the markets. Bro, like, it's crazy. It's crazy.
5 shots of espresso and 1 Red Bull, and you say, not too bad.
Is that not... Yeah, that's not, bro. I was drinking like 6-7 shots of espresso from Starbucks. They literally almost banned me. They were like, no, we can't serve you anymore. You will end up getting a heart attack. So yeah.
Man.
Yeah, man. That's why I know my personality is very very addictive kind of personality. That's why luckily I don't do anything where it comes to like drinking alcohol or any drugs, because I know I have that addictive personality. But you guys can see it, the way I abuse caffeine is crazy, man. But that's the only thing I do. That's kind of what my drug is. My choice of drug. My drug of choice. My weird addiction. 6 shots of espresso every day. But there you go. This is setting up, man. Looking good. When it comes to the addiction, whole chat is active. Yes, sir. Everyone's got addictions, man. We're human beings. Humans have addictions. Like, you know, we have bad behavior. Oh, okay. It's breaking. Let's pay attention now, guys. Breaking. SLs could be taken like this. This is the New York Stock Exchange volatility, about 40 pips, and then let's give it a go on the 5 pip breakout. Give me a second, I'll tell you guys when to enter. Not yet. Because the 4H is now giving you that break. Let's wait for it. And technically the 4H should not reject, and it should be a one-sided move. And the 5 pip mark will essentially be round here. So let's wait for this. Okay, at this point they're giving you that pullback as well after breaking the lows. Look at the 30 minutes, very nice breakout. It's retesting this area. Anything below this I think is a valid confirmation to start selling the markets. And looking to the left, you have a very clean range. Let's give this a go on the 5 pip breakout. Okay, actually wait, it's the first 5 minutes. Let's wait for the next 5 minutes to technically give us that break. So in the first 5 minutes, just stay out of it, because what can happen is the next 5 minutes can technically start breaking back above the highs. But yeah, it makes sense to give this a go. 4H confirmation is there. Breather candle. This candle has no business now breaking the highs. The only thing I want to make sure is that this is not a double bottom on the 4H. So just give it that first 5 minutes to kind of like give you a closure below the lows here, and then the next 5 minutes to start breaking the lows, and then let's give it a go. So technically with the next 5 minutes, if we see our 5 pip break below the 4H lows, then let's give it a go. Okay, are you ready, Nino?
Yeah.
SL's above the highs. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, let's wait for this now. Because essentially what they've done now is they've given you the retest down here. They've also technically, this is just a retest because of the spikiness that kicks in with the New York Stock Exchange open. So this is where now the spikiness is here. We just need that confirmation. Very nice clean retest done here as well on the 30 minutes. Again, this is your intraday support, so you do want to be just an extra bit careful. But the minute they start to give you that breakout now in the next 5 minutes or so, it's a valid position. Watch your SO and TP go as is so blurry on the iPad. The SO will be above the current 4H highs, and the TP will be this range here. You know, you want to secure some partials below rather than having that one massive TP. It will be the partial TPs, 1 2 3 4 TP. Safest way to trade today. But here's a Freaky Friday. We have all the confirmations we need. And this is where you have your New York Stock Exchange open volatility. If the 4H breakout is valid, as I said, let's give it a go. And yeah, again guys, just risk some of the partials that you've made earlier. You don't need to take anything big. We've had a really profitable trade earlier, so if you can just risk some of the partials. And yeah, you know, 5 pips below, make sure. There you go. It's coming. Not yet. You want to technically enter 5 pips below at least with the New York Stock Exchange open volatility. It should give you that sort of drop. 4H is bearish. Breather candle, breakout candle should give you a clean sell-off. We know that it goes one way. It's always a one-sided move with the new 4H open. You know, we will use the highs as a SL, since with the NYSE volatility we're expecting a clean drop. But as I said, wait for a confirmation below this. Let's not take anything impulsive. But the minute this starts to now give you that breakout, it should be a clean drop on gold. There you go. Let's see. Your TP1 area will essentially be this range here, because look to the left, right? There you go. So like 10 more pips, you want to start making a risk-free sort of thing. There we go. It's dropping. Wait for it. And let's say if you are interested in this position here, guys, you want to start securing your profits near this range. This is when you technically want to start making a risk-free and start securing. Yeah, around this area. This will be your TP1. There you go. TP1 is all the way down here because you're capitalizing on the NYSE volatility. This is your TP1. You want to make it risk-free here. Give me a second. Risk-free. this is where you want to make it risk-free. Your TP1 is all the way down here, and the minute it starts to break below this, it should be a nice clean volatile drop on gold with the New York Stock Exchange volatility, and your TP1 will essentially be down here. Okay, around this area, let's start making it risk-free rather than letting this run. You technically want to start making it risk-free here, because it's the second position that you've taken is about, you know, it's about 10 or so pips you're going to be in profits. So it's going to be 10 pips in profits as soon as this gets tapped, and then after that, just make it risk-free and let the rest run with the New York Stock Exchange volatility. Okay, there we go. It's breaking the structure lows, breaking the structure lows. .4H is a breakout. It's a clean breakout on the 4H. Everything is saying sell. There is no reason why gold should reject now. So the minute they give you that spike down, once again, you want to technically apply your risk management, start making it risk-free. Everything's super bearish on gold. There we go. So there you go. This is your, oh, let's go. Make it risk-free, make it risk-free, make it risk-free. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's ripping through that area. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Another clean drop with the New York Stock Exchange volatility. That's it. Secure some profits, make it risk-free, let the rest just run. Your TP2 will be down here now. If you guys can, chill your stop losses, but TP2 will be down here. Your TP2 will be down here. Let's mark this up. And you've got your, essentially, this is where now you technically want to let this position run as much as you can, because it's a Freaky Friday. It will give you that one-sided move. So below this, another 10 pips will be your TP2. Again, as I said, secure your partials, and then from there you can technically just let it run to like the main TP. This is the main TP which we are anticipating gold to hit, TP3, which is the final TP, and then we're done here. This is your final TP, which is the TP3. And yeah, there we go. This is your NY. Oh, let's go. TP2 here as well, guys. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Freaky Friday. What did I tell you guys? Freaky Friday. TP2 here as well, guys. TP2 here as well. Drop a like on the stream. Drop some W's. That's 2 for 2 again on a Friday. Let's go. Let's go. Look at gold just sink. What did I tell you guys? New York Stock Exchange volatility will give you the biggest dump on gold. The final TP is there. This is what you call a Freaky Friday move. Let's go. Let's go. Drop some W's in the chat, guys. Drop some W's. Look at gold just sink at this point. Ah, it's coming down for the final TP. Let's go. Oh, look at gold just drop. Look at this Titanic. Holy drop. Oh my lord. Look at the drop, guys. Look at the drop. Holy.
Today we hit more than the target, bro.
Let's go. Let's go. Drop some W's in the chat, guys. Look at the drop on, look at this drop on gold. What did I tell you guys? Holy, look at this drop. Gold has turned into a Titanic. What an amazing way to end the week. Freaky Friday drop. Secure some profits here. Wow. Drop a like on the stream, guys. Drop a like on the stream. 8 trades given out this week. Almost 90% win rate.
Bro, it was 90%, man. I have 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna say the stats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 trades.
Oh man, look at it.
7 wins, 1 loss.
Let's go. Let's go. Crazy. Oof. Let's go. Look at gold sinking. Look at this Titanic ship. Holy, look at this Titanic ship. Look at this Titanic. Let's go, man. Let's go. 2 for 2 today. 2 for 2 today. Wow. What did I tell you guys? Wait for the New York Stock Exchange open and look at this Titanic now. Guys, come on. Let's run up the likes. Let's run up the likes. We don't even have 20 likes. Come on, guys. Let's at least get this to 20 likes. Come on, let's run them up. Wow. What an amazing way to end the week. Just amazing. Amazing way to end the week. 40 pips, taken here on this stream again. Wow, on the second trade. Oh, if it goes past that final TP, I need everyone to drop some W's in the chat, guys. Let's start spamming some W's in the chat. Let's start spamming some W. Oh, it's about to go past that final TP as well. Oh man, it's sinking. Guys, drop some W's. I'm gonna make a quick Insta video. Let's start spamming some W's in the chat. Oh, let's go. Wow, look at the wallet. Look at this drop on gold. Holy snap. Wow, look at this drop. Oh snap. That's it, guys. This is technically your final TP area getting hit. Start securing. Let's start spamming some W's in the chat. Let's go. Oh, it's coming up. As soon as it goes past that TP3. Crazy, man. Crazy play again. Crazy play. Crazy play, man. Crazy play. What a way to end the week, right? What a way to end the week.
Great.
What? Yeah, guys, make the Insta stories and tag me. Ben, make an Insta story as well, bro. Tag me and I'll repost. Guys, tag me on your Insta stories and I'll repost everything, okay? Just tag me and I'll repost everything.
Dude, guys, look. Wow. What crazy play, man. This is what you call amazing end to the week. So let's call this trade, let's call it 50 pips as well. Second trade again, 50 pips. Plus 50 pips. Okay, you know what? I'll be precise. I'll say plus 47 pips. There we go. That's one way to end the week. 2 for 2. If that second TP gets hit, man, you're laughing. Wow. Look at the sell-off with the new 4H, man. Amazing stuff. Just wow. Crazy. I knew this was gonna happen on the intraday. This was supposed to happen anyway. Wow. Just amazing stuff. So nice, honestly, so nice. Wow. Crazy stuff. But yeah, guys, how was everyone's session today with us? Let me know in the chat. How was everyone's session with us? Nice, thanks. Thank you for joining. Thank you. But yeah, wow. This is it. In and out sort of thing, man. Quick in and out sort of thing. Let's see if this runs up. If it runs down, because I think maybe some people still have partials open, but to be honest with you, you want to secure most of it. Great session. Love to see it on Friday. Appreciate that, bro. 2 for 2 on Friday. I told you Freaky Fridays are good, man. People don't trade Fridays, but Freaky Fridays are amazing. So much volatility. But at this point, you've got your 200 pip range. Yeah, like it's pretty much done now, to be fair. But if you have these runners running, I recommend holding them if you really can. Hold these runners. Guys, we've got 16 likes. Let's run up 4 more likes. Let's get this up to at least 20 likes. First time live with you, Win, thanks. Amazing. Make sure you guys are in the Discord as well. Guys, we will be giving away a lot of free gems. We will try and do our part and give away as much of free content that we can. So join our Discord. The link is in the live chat. Nuno, do you mind posting the link as well, please? Thank you. And yeah, amazing session once again today. Wow.
Crazy.
Very nice session. Very nice session.
Yeah. So
Okay, but yeah, this is kind of how you trade on Fridays. Because it's a very volatile session, you kind of like in and out. So obviously the first position was very nice, ended up being that topside play, the buy position. And then obviously from there we were waiting for this to set up with the New York Stock Exchange open. Again guys, timing is everything, right? It's everything, honestly, the timing. And you know, if you are serious about, hey DA, if you could show MT5 or MT4 while in trade or when in buy or sell stops would be much nicer, bro. Gives the extra confidence new traders like me, like how you used. I don't use my MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 anymore, guys. I've kind of built like a hedge fund where Nuno does the execution for me, so I don't have the MetaTrader 5 or the MetaTrader 4 because of the psychological reasons. So yeah, that's something I can't really do. But if you do join my private team, then we can give you every single thing that you need. But yeah, this is way more than enough for the free YouTube. Way more than enough. But if you're serious about doing this for a living, then come and hop onto our private team. And then this is where we can take it to the next level and give you every single thing you need to make a lot of profits with us. Amazing session once again today. Wow. Well, make sure you guys have the notifications turned on, guys. Drop a like on the stream. Another amazing session taken. Another lovely bit of trading done here. Took the pump earlier, took the dump now. Amazing session again. Amazing session. Wow. That's 2 for 2 on a Friday. That's crazy. More than 100 pips on a Friday. We caught more than 100 pips on Wednesday. Yesterday was, again, the trade we gave out. Does the alert mean you have a trade active, like sell stops in this? We don't use sell stops, man. We do manual execution. We don't use sell stops. That's the thing. You kind of need to understand the system. You need to understand the strategy. But yeah, we don't do sell stops. But yeah, is manual execution. Manually enter the markets and exit. We have some things we look for and then we enter. But we don't use sell stops. We don't do that. Breather candle, man. Break of this. They can give you that leg down. TP3, maybe. Let's see.
what a nice day, man.
Yeah. On this note, guys, let's see what they do first. But the trade is still active. A very nice move. It's a Freaky Friday move. Let it run. And guys, as I said, message me on Insta if you want to join the free chat on Insta. I can keep you guys posted on everything. And you guys, on that note, let's call it a session here. Everyone have a lovely, blessed weekend. Amazing week. 90% win rate. Drop a like on the stream. Hit the subscribe button. Follow us on our socials, me and Nuno. And guys, take care. We'll catch up with you on